or as a side dish to your main. And these are my cauliflower tater tots. Yes, you heard right. Cauliflower in tater tots, but no potatoes. So for this recipe, we'll need 2 cups of riced cauliflower. We'll need a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, some green onions, a little bit of grated cheese, and then some herbed cream cheese. And last but not least, we have some breadcrumbs. So into a hot pan, we're gonna be adding in the cauliflower. And we're just trying to cook this down so it tends to be a little bit more soft. And then to the bowl of flaxseed, we're gonna add in the 1/4 cup of warm water and set aside. And now it's time to bake them for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it. Once you bake it, they get nice and crispy and they're ready to eat. And that's how they look inside. Ooh, cheesy. The simple cauliflower tater tot recipe is a great way to get your veggies in. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. And until next time, relish